Welcome back. It's been a long time. We're back with another episode of Red Reviews. We're reviewing French fries. So like, it's from my local In-N-Out. I think, not even mine, but I'm gonna review them. Let's see, fresh potatoes. Let's see if they're really fresh. They're very good. They're salty. Yeah, that's my reaction. My reaction right there. That's me. Well, these are 100% sunflower oil and potatoes. I would say these are a 10 out of 10. These are better than McDonald's ones. Let's try. Get them. If you're not, you're weird. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.
Go.
Welcome back. This is part 2 of the video. We're here at the William Workman versus La Puente game. It's gonna be lit. Hopefully Workman wins because they're in a 6 loss 7. I don't even know how much loss streak. We got Canes. Snuck it in. Let me see here. I'm gonna review it. Fire from my local Canes in my house. Okay. Sauce. No words. I love you so much. Is this what heaven tastes like? I want to go. Anyway, we're gonna be lit. I will call my stuff, but buy it right now. Canes, oh crap.
Bro, are you serious?
Sponsor me. Get the bread. And yummy. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Give me my stuff though. Let me review. Ice Spice drink is next. See you later, guys. Boom.
Watch me start the Red Reviews. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, I'm a baddie, I get what I want. Like.
I love my filmer. Yes, kid. I also love Lil Vic. I love this guy too. Good boy. Don't litter, guys. Oh, that's not it.